Last week on the Cow-Calf Corner, we visited with you about what we call the length of stage 2 of calving, and we mentioned that in the case of mature cows, that should be on the average about 30 minutes, and for those first calf heifers that have never had a calf before, it's going to be twice that or about an hour. Obviously, then the question comes, well, what difference does it make? Why don't I just wait until the cow goes ahead and has the calf, no matter how long it takes? Well, there's some research that gives us the indication that probably we shouldn't wait extended periods of time past those norms before we provide some assistance, because it affects both the calf and the cow. In the case of the calf, if it's going through an extended stage 2, what's happening is, due to the contractions of the uterus on that calf and therefore the trapping of the umbilical cord, we set up a situation called respiratory acidosis, which just means the calf isn't getting enough oxygen, and the byproducts of breathing, the carbon dioxide and such things as lactic acid build up and cause that calf to be weakened. And some producers might call it a weak calf syndrome. So if that time is extended, then we've got a higher likelihood of having a calf that's weakened, slow to get up, slow to find the teat, and therefore slow to find the colostrum that's so important. In the case of the cow, if it goes through a prolonged stage 2 of calving, we know from research up in Montana that those cows are slower in terms of coming back into estrus for their next breeding season, and therefore are less likely to get bred in that breeding season. And so we have an impact here on both the calf and the cow if we allow this stage 2 to go on for an extended period of time past the norms. So that's the reason why that if we see a cow straining but not making progress, a mature cow in 30 minutes, we probably need to get her up and examine to see what's going on. And the same thing with that first calf heifer. If she's not making progress in an hour, we probably need to be able to give her some assistance. And let's remember to call our veterinarian. If we find something that we can't find and take care of ourselves, get that veterinarian's help as soon as possible. Hey, we look forward to visiting with you again next week on Sunup's Cow-Calf Corner.